Welcome to the website building course, where we'll construct your business website quickly using WordPress as the platform and Elementor as the building tool. The pages we'll be creating are tailored for a vet, but you can easily adapt the same structure for any business and customize them to fit your brand. During the course, it's advisable to follow the instructions to save time, and you can personalize the pages to your liking at the end. This course is suitable for anyone looking to have a modern and functional website for their business, without lengthy lectures on theory or other irrelevant topics. All you need is basic computer skills. No programming or coding knowledge is required. The advantage is you will have your website online today and finalize it by tomorrow. And you don't have to worry about someone seeing the unfinished pages, since nobody can find them until you start sharing the link for your website on social media. And the site will eventually appear on Google search results. This is the quickest and most cost-effective option for a real website. The annual costs are typically under 100 euros or dollars, depending on the domain and other extras. After the course, you'll be able to maintain the site by yourself. You'll learn how to open new sites, create new pages, and use plugins, making maintenance and updates straightforward. You don't need an engineering degree. You'll grasp all the essentials during the course. You made an excellent decision by acquiring this course, as a business website is a crucial component of modern marketing and online visibility. Completing your website immediately adds credibility, making your business appear more trustworthy. For instance, having a company email from your own domain enhances professionalism compared to using a generic email service like Gmail. It provides people with information about your business, including opening hours, services, and frequently asked questions 24/7 without the need for you to answer calls or messages. Customers can also book appointments online. Linking your social media profiles to your website can attract more customers from social media. Interested individuals who come across your social media posts can easily find a link to your website. Having a website expands your customer base beyond your local area. Advertising becomes much more effective with the customer data collected through your website. Your website is the best place to showcase new products and services. It allows you to build a brand and stand out from the competition, giving you an edge. You own the website, giving you the freedom to do what you want with it, and it saves you money. Advertising agencies typically charge a minimum of $1,000 for a similar website, and annual maintenance costs are much higher. There are numerous advantages, and by keeping costs low, you're making a smart move. Let's now take a closer look at the structure of the website. First, we'll build the homepage, providing all essential information to your customers. Next, we'll create an About Us page, where you can provide more details about your business and its employees. Following that, we'll craft the services page to showcase your offerings. Additionally, we'll establish a cookie policy and a cookie banner. Website features will include online appointment scheduling, also the option for online consultations via video, and a contact form in a pop-up window. In the bonus videos, we'll strengthen WordPress security against hackers and add another language that users can switch from their menu. The course comprises a total of 15 videos after this intro, with a duration of approximately 2.5 hours. By following this course diligently, you can have your website ready in as little as 6 hours. But each participant can proceed at their own pace. Given the fast pace of the videos, it's advisable to watch the video through first, and on the second viewing, follow the instructions step by step, pausing the video as needed. Support materials for the course can be found from scrive.com/web, where additional instructions will be added based on the course feedback. You'll also find a link below to the Discord channel, where you can ask for a more detailed guidance via chat if you encounter any issues during the course. Additionally, many supporting videos for the course will be found from Scrive YouTube channel. The pages will be built section by section, column by column, element by element. Plugins will be added as needed. Each video begins with a brief introduction, where I explain the tasks, followed by the actual building process. The video follows my screen and mouse movements, and you'll see me in the corner providing commentary on what's happening. Sections are numbered and labeled at the bottom to make following the video easier. Note, during the course, make sure to write down all usernames and passwords so you can remember them later. I use AI to create the site's content, initially using Elementor AI and ChatGPT, and a web-based image generator. Working with these tools makes the process easier and faster. You can use these same tools during the course, and after completing it, return to finalize the text content, and optionally replace the illustrations with your own photos. If this is our first introduction, I'm Maru Hieta, a graphic designer and a copywriter. I have been a web designer and a freelancer for years, operating my script business full-time since 2020. I've been professionally building websites since 2015, even for large international corporate clients. I hope this course meets your expectations, and by the last video, you will have a functional website. I intentionally designed this course to be straightforward, so for any questions, join the discussion on the Discord server, where you can further develop your website with fellow course participants. And also remember to subscribe to Script YouTube channel. Now, let's prepare for the next videos, where you'll quickly learn the new platform and tools, practically building yourself a great website in a day. See you in the next video.